As an AI product manager, my role is crucial in leading the development of AI products. In the deployment layer, I oversee the prompt management process, ensuring that our AI models are trained to respond accurately and effectively. This involves fine-tuning the prompts to optimize performance and meet user expectations. In the data layer, I work closely with databases to ensure seamless integration and efficient data management. I understand the importance of clean and reliable data, so I oversee data preprocessing to eliminate any inconsistencies or biases that could impact our AI model's performance. To excel in this role, I hold a bachelor's degree in computer science, business, or a related field. My experience in product management, particularly in the tech or AI industry, has equipped me with the necessary skills to navigate the complexities of AI product development. I stay up to date with the latest AI technologies and market trends, allowing me to make informed decisions and drive innovation. My strong organizational and leadership skills enable me to effectively manage teams and ensure the successful delivery of AI products. In conclusion, as an AI product manager, I play a vital role in the deployment and data layers, overseeing prompt management, databases, and data preprocessing. With my qualifications and expertise, I am committed to driving AI product development forward and delivering exceptional user experiences.